Effect of an IAS officer, IPS, IFS, IRS. तो प्यारे बच्चों, let me tell you one thing, that these are the side effects that an IAS officer cannot become a prime minister, cannot become a MP, MLA, cannot become a Yogi Modi. So those students have only the desire of an IAS, IPS. They will earn 2 lakh, 3 lakh monthly, and some facilities up to 5 lakh or 7 lakh per month. So if he is an IAS officer, he is an DM, then he is earning 10 lakh per month. For how much time? For 60 years. After 21 age, he will join, and till 22, 24, 25, he will become an DM, and from 25 to 60 years, he will gain every month 10 lakh rupees per month. Estimate, we are estimating. But he cannot become a prime minister. What prime minister has, the thing that an IAS officer does not have. So I want to tell you one thing, that one post always has some benefits and some problems. So what is the problem with a DM officer? He cannot become an IAS DM. He cannot become a PM. So what will be the difference between PM and DM? PM can go outside the country to lead India, to lead Bharat, to make relationship with other countries, PM and presidents, to make rules, regulations, to follow these rules and regulations, and to give orders to MP, MLAs and IAS officers, judges, and to keep in mind that people are doing their job in right direction or not. He can handle, he is the lord of the country, means prime minister, he is the prime minister, supreme minister, or like a president, he is also have the same value, but prime minister has more powers in India and some other countries also. So you can understand what a DM will earn in 10 years or 60 years. From 21 to 60 means 40 years he will earn. More than that money and prosperity and name, fame, PM can earn in 5 years. Are you getting my point? Yeah. So making a relationship, he will become better person. If your relations are better, your relations are with big persons, big personalities, big businessmen, you will become a big person one day. So prime minister has relationship to the ministers and to other people of the countries, other countries, but DM not have, does not have that right. Are you getting my point? So basically, this depends on your choice. If you have the power to take a risk to become a prime minister, because that is only one post, but DM, many student can become a DM in the country. So if you have power, if you have that enthusiasm, if you can go to that post without clearing any exams, you can go. Lord Krishna or Supreme Lord one day will make you Prime Minister if you have power. If you will not become a Prime Minister, then you will become something. So DM has some problems and PM has some problems. After becoming a PM, he cannot become a DM, and after becoming a DM, he can become also a PM. So this is a gradually process, but every DM will not become a PM. This is also a truth, 100%. Who wants to become a PM, he will become a PM. And this is my full stop. You are preparing for an IAS exam, but you are bound by PM and other leaders that you have to be obeying these constitution's rules. But why we should obeying this constitution? When the constitution maker B.R. Ambedkar was shot by a bullet, Nathuram Godse killed Mahatma Gandhi, and Bachu Singh shot B.R. Ambedkar, Bhimrao Ambedkar. Then what is the benefit of this constitution? What this constitution will save us when this constitution cannot save the maker of the constitution? How can we believe? No, we cannot believe. This is not truth. Constitution is a illusion for those people who want to get stuck in this illusion that yes, we are studying very nice constitution, we are studying all these rules and regulations, we are obeying these rules and regulations, or these rules and regulations will follow for me and will not follow for others, or will follow for others, will not follow for me, and these are loopholes, these are changes. So all these, what is? Nothing. All these are changeable, these are not strict rules. It means everybody can find a loophole in this constitution. It means these are only illusions to make you a servant. If you want to become a servant, it is government or it is private, it is not a big idea, it is not a good idea. But what you have to become, you have to become a businessman, you have to become a leader, not a servant of anyone, only the servant of Lord Krishna, Ram, Shiv, Allah, Jesus Christ. So you have to be connected to the supreme energy. Then you will understand all this game of the parliament, of the judges, of the IAS officers of police. Okay? So Sri Kunj Bihar Sri Hardas, Radhe Radhe. You can see Arvind Kejriwal is in jail. Why? This is constitution. On behalf of constitution, we can say Arvind Kejriwal cannot be in jail. He is a CM, but no one is listening the constitution. That I want to tell you one thing. No one will be your servant. No one will listen you on behalf of constitution. Constitution is only a illusion. You will say that these are rules. He will say I will not follow rules. Then what will you do? So no one will understand you. No one will listen you. Not your rules. Not the rules of constitution. These are not the rules of India. These are the rules of other countries. In constitution, you will understand fundamental duties, fundamental rights. These are taken from other countries. So why people of India will listen this? No one is obeying these rules and regulations. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, PM Modi once did this seva. Now he is not doing sweeping the roads. Why he is not doing this? Because all these are illusions to engage people. Please engage here to believe me. And he is a liar. Why PM Modi is a liar? Because he said 15 lakh will come in everyone's account from the Switzerland. Why money is not coming in every child account, every person account of India? Why? He is failed. After even he is failed, he is ruling over the India. Why people are blind? Why they are not listening? Why they are not understanding that PM Modi is making us fool? He is wearing 1.5 lakh or 15 lakhs coat and pant and suits, but what we are getting, these rape cases you can see in Kolkata. You can see suiciding of farmers are doing suicide in Kolkata. Hospital persons are doing raping a girl. What is happening in this country? Modi is not taking responsibility of anything. So this means he is making fool. He is a liar. So what can we do? Nothing. It means God is not God is not seeing all and everything of a person, but he gives a moment, he gives a time period to a person. So by believing of Modi in 2014 that he will go to Switzerland, he will come with the corruption money of Indian Congress leaders, and Indian people believed on Modi, and he gave all they gave votes. But what happened? Nothing. It means government of India, people of India, God gave a chance to Modi, but he could not do. Now what will happen? God will remove him. People will remove him. What is the power of people? Power of people is a God. God is a power of people. God and people not are different. They all are listening and understanding. But after some time, everyone get a chance. Modi got a chance, Yogi got a chance, you will got a chance. So wait for your chance and do preparation. Shri Kunj Bihari Shri Hadas Radhe Radhe.